Hello, this is a bit of a top tip kind of video, I guess you'd call it. More of awareness as well. So, I've got some hunt wheels in, very popular. Mixed opinions about these from people. I've also got mixed opinions. They seem to be great wheels for the price, but if not looked after pretty well, they seem to just not last. So, this is a race aero. I've seen it with the Four Seasons as well, and a few of the carbon wheel sets, where the rear ones, and it's predominantly on the drive side, but sometimes on the non-drive side. But the spokes, I'm going to do well to get this to focus. So there we go. Oh, there we go. So I've just started to unwind this one. Heavily corroded inside. So we've got a steel spoke and an alloy nipple. So yeah, heavily corroded. And what happens is, I'm going to have to find one now. Oh, here we go. You don't have to look very hard, I don't think. So this one here, see there, it's started to actually just kind of rot away. So we've lost a big chunk out of that nipple there. Sorry, my phone doesn't want to focus. So we lost a chunk out of that one there. What I'm actually doing today, and the reason for me I'm doing some of these is, let's get this one here. Focus. You can see that tiny little line, ever so slightly. On this wheel, they're all cracked. Pretty much every single one has got a crack in it, and it's getting worse and worse. Chunks of the nipples are starting to break away. They're just starting to fall apart. Some of the nipples I carry in stock, we've got just plain brass, good quality sapim 12mm nipples. We've got alloy black, we've got brass black, we've got alloy silver, red, like a reddy pink colour, orange green. You get the idea. Different colours. Here we have some of the nipples. So I've changed them all on this hunt wheel, but they are, yeah, they're worse than I thought. I thought some of them were gone, as in kind of, you know, like half, but they're actually pretty much all gone. Although saying that now, I'm struggling to find any that are actually that bad. Oh, here we go. Apologies for the video quality. It's getting it to focus on these smaller things, but yeah, that one's kind of, you can see the nose is totally gone off it. A lot of these, they are the state of my nails. They're workman's hands, that's what I'll tell myself. It's not that I'm just a grubby bastard. Yeah, you can see there, just about see the crack kind of going all the way down as well. This one's a real bad one, and again, this was a kind of accident waiting to happen. Look at that, it's totally rotten. I could probably, if I hit that with a hammer, that'd almost turn to dust. Yeah, not great, and they're all like that. So I'm surprised the wheel kind of hadn't totally collapsed. I think we got that just in time, but it's now built up with all new ones. As I say, I used brass, so that wheel is a bit more resilient to corrosion and things. So yeah, that won't suffer the same fate as these. As I say, I do notice this a lot on some of the hunt wheels, but I think half of it, rather than slagging hunt off, is just a lot of the hunt wheels out there. So you're going to see more problems with more popular things. So, you know, there we go. I know there's plenty of people that are really happy with theirs and don't have this issue, but I think a lot of the issues with this corrosion can be avoided just with a drip of oil or something, like an all-weather spray like this. I mean, kind of anything's better than nothing. I'd kind of avoid using. I tend to use this just for cleaner, really, but I mean, I'd avoid kind of something like W40. It doesn't really leave much behind once it's evaporated, where a proper spray oil or even GT85 leaves a kind of bit of a PTFE kind of residue behind, or this almost congeals. So yeah, that'll keep the corrosion at bay, keep your wheels happy. Some of the tools I use for this kind of job, nice simple one, flat blade screwdriver. The new Nipples goes in the end there to quickly tighten them. The old Nipples, to remove them, they had a castellated head on. This is the tool I use. Had this thing for years, that just slots in the end there, lovely. a spoke cut and bent just to aid fitting the new ones. Just twist them on slightly, feed that in. Good quality spoke key, really good this one, love that. DT Swiss. This is to hold bladed spokes, so when you are tightening them with the spoke key, the blade is held straight, so you're not kind of twisting the spoke up under tension. And again, that's got multiple sizes on there. I have seen people use blocks of wood with slots cut in them and lumps of plastic with slots cut in, but again, they're not much money. This is just a Super B one. And one of my favourite tools, although I didn't actually need it on this job, this is for round spokes to hold them, again, similar to this one, to hold them while you adjust them to stop them kind of rotating. So it's effectively just like a pair of pliers, but it nips the spoke, so that holds that there, and then you'd be adjusting it. So yeah, not a huge amount. Oh, and obviously wheel trim stand.